Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can move your Roblox game and files from one drive to a different drive. Let's say a USB card or something else. That's very easy. Let's get straight into it. The first thing that we want to do is open up our laptop or computer, head down to the search bar because we need to find the file location for Roblox. Simply type in Roblox. And here we see the Roblox player. Right click it and open up file location. Now from here we find the Roblox player, right click it again and open up file location once more. Now here we have the file location of Roblox. Now from there we go to the top of our screen where the little row of text is. Here we open up the local folder, and here we can find the Roblox file folder. Right click it, go to show more options and press cut. Now what this will do, it will temporarily remove Roblox, but once you found the location where you want to paste it, it will get deleted from one drive and set to the different drive. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. We can close down this window, and from there we go to the file location and open up File Explorer, as you can see right here. Now open up the File Explorer, go to this PC, and from this PC we have our different drive. So the drive that you want to paste it towards. Simply open up this drive, right click it, go to show more options and press paste. Now as you can see, the moving process of Roblox to the different drive has started. Now once this has fully completed, we can still play Roblox on our PC from out the player shortcut, but it has been moved to a different drive to save space. Now it's easy as that. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.